Hello friends, the question is f of x is given, g of x is given, h of x is given. The question is to verify f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g dot h. What is the name for this property? This is called associative property. We start with the LHS, very simple. If you follow the steps, you can easily complete. What is inside the bracket is given g dot h. First to find g dot h, that is g of h of x. That is g of, what is h of x? It is x squared. Now it is g of x squared. G of x squared, replace x by x squared in the function g, you get 3x squared plus 1. And now we can complete the left hand side, f dot g dot h. Remember, in this composition of function, the right hand side is to be substituted in the left hand side always. The right hand side first to be replaced in the left hand side. When we find g dot h, we are replacing h of x in g. And here we are finding f of g dot h. That means we replace the answer of g dot h in the function f. Now what is f? F is here. What is g dot h? It is here. So this is nothing but f of 3x squared plus 1. And now we complete. In this function f, you replace this one. For x, you put 3x squared plus 1, then 1 minus 1. It is simplified to get the answer as 3x squared. Remember, whenever you do the composition of functions, the right hand side thing is to be substituted, is to be replaced in the left hand side. Why I am telling that, you will come to know. Now we will go to RHS. What is inside the bracket in RHS? That is f dot g. We have to find f dot g of x. First step, we can write it as f of g of x. As I said here, the right hand side is to be substituted. Now what is g of x? G of x is 3x plus 1. Now you replace 3x plus 1 for x in the function f. That you get 3x plus 1, then you minus 1. Only we are replacing only for x. All other terms should be followed as it is. So now it is reduced to 3x. Okay. Now we complete. Now this is f dot g of h. Even though we got f dot g in the very first step, now we have to find f dot g of h. As I said already, only in this function f dot g we have to replace x. What is f dot g? It is 3x. In this 3x we have to replace h. That is f dot g of h of x. That is in this answer, because f dot g is in the left hand side, h of x is in the right hand side. H of x is to be right hand side is to be this term. This right hand side is to be replaced in the left hand side. This yes. Now what is f dot g? It is 3 of x. What is h of x? It is x squared. In this 3x, you substitute x squared. So we get, in this 3x, in this particular x, we replace x squared. So this step is very important. How we are replacing. Otherwise, I don't want to confuse. So f dot g of h of x means in the function f dot g. What is f dot g? This is the function f dot g. So by replacing this one, we get 3x squared. You see here 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, the associative. In general, in the composition of functions, the associative law always holds good. Let me complete this exercise by giving another sum, which is always comes as a 2-mark question. in most of the papers, in most of the exams, you will get as 2-mark question, not difficult, it is easy only. I'll give one of the sums from the textbook exercise. If f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 6x minus k, find k if f dot g is equal to g dot f. Already we said the commutative property of the composition of function is not always commutative or not always holds good, but sometimes they will give us commutative and they will ask you to find the unknown. I'll go a little faster. So we find f dot g of x. This is nothing but f of g of x. This is nothing but f of g of x is 6x minus k. You substitute in the function f, you get 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. That is 18x minus 3k plus 2. This is 1. Now we find g of f of x. Very simple only, not that much difficult. You follow the steps, you will get the answer. G of what is f of x? It is 3x plus 2. Now how to find the g of 3x plus 2? In the function g you substitute here. It is 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. Then all the other terms should be written as it is. Multiply, you get 18x plus 12 minus k. This is 2. Given, what is given? F dot g is equal to g dot f. That is 18x minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 18x plus 12 minus k. Cancel 18x on both sides. You bring minus 3k, bring the k to this side, it is plus k. Take the 2 to the other side, it is 12 2. This is minus 2k equal to 10 and k is equal to 10 divided by minus 2. That gives minus 5. Okay. You can check with the answer. This is nothing to, okay. Yes. So you can do it very easy problems only, this and all. Yes, it is minus 5. So this is the way. So this is one of the 2-mark question we used to get always almost in all the exams. So with this, we'll come to the end of this class. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.